Good evening, YouTube viewers. I just got back from my last pre-release of the weekend, and my local game store had 2 Chandra left. Now I have opened it just to check to see what the seed card was, and unfortunately no plainswalkers. So I'm a little bit bummed that I was not able to get any plainswalkers in any of the packs or seeds. But I digress. This means 12 packs plus an additional 2 from the Elf Warrior deck that I picked up to try and get a plainswalker. Okay. I hope to get one. Let's start with the origins, the interpack, shall we? Now this is the hunting pack. It does come with some pretty good cute cards. The main one is the Dwayne Guiltleaf Dane. Oh, come on, you little brat. Okay, so the Elf Warrior deck is Guiltleaf Dane, Managorger Hydra, very annoying card, Thorn Bow Archers, Dwayne's Elite, Visionary, Gilder, Timberpack Wolves, the Recluse Spiders, Foremost, Deathbright Shaman, Assassin, Son of the Pack, Sun Messenger, the Forests, the Swamps, Might of the Masses, Macabre Waltz, Night Snare, Weight of the Underworld, Consecrated Blood, Eyeblade Massacre, Jaroga Invocation. It's a pretty nice little deck. It's not over here. Let's have the Chandras. Now, Chandra's origin story is a pretty nice thing. I don't think I can read all of it on here. First fire, unattempted destruction, forced to flee, fiery hunted, fiery exit, and my Matron Parnassi. It's pretty interesting ability storyline. I like how they did the cards. pre-release pack, I was able to get 3 out of the 5. So this actually, technically this makes 5. 4 out of the 5 packs. Nice dice we got. I know I have another one, but I traded that one away to make a whole set. Now the C packs. The Scab Clan Berserker. Seismic Elemental. Goblin Glory Chaser. Bogart Brute. Subterranean Scout. Tin Strength. And Career Chaser. Okay, C pack number 2 was a exclusive Firecraft. Now, for my first release, I did crack the Elf Lord, so that was nice. Oops. Raging Blaze, Seismic Elemental, Fiery Impulse, Prickabore, Titan Strength, and Fiery Elemental. Alright. Those are the seed packs. Let's see what we get, shall we? 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 packs to open. Let's chase that. Plainswalker. Shall we? I will be doing a more detailed video, but I'm really hoping that I get at least a Plainswalker in this, but I more likely won't. Dwayne's Elite, Yen Yawgmoth Coast, and a foil Warhorn. Adapter token. Zendikar Incarnate, Valor in Arms, Twins Elite, and Languish. Pack number 3. Let's keep going. Chase that Plainswalker. How was everyone's pre-release? Mine was good despite the whole not getting any planeswalkers. Although I did lose a lot, but that's part of the game, isn't it? And a talent of the telepath. Ram Roller is our foil. And you probably already guessed, but I'm so tired. These last couple days. Can't wait for my summer to be over. So Reckoning, Council's Lieutenant, Revenant, and Dark Petition. Flip token. Okay, Manual Insight, Eyeball Massacre, Undercity Troll, and Guilt Leaf Winnower, Menace. Plains and Thopter token. Tormented Thought, Goblin Glory Chaser, Undercity Troll, and Guy's Revenge. Mountain and the Thopter token. Okay, Ravaging Blaze, Sword Messenger, and a 3 Thopter Spy Network. Foil Island, Forest, and a Thopter token. Now after this video, I probably won't upload anything else until Friday when I get the big booster box of Origins. So it'll give me a chance to sort out some cards that I need to get done. Sentinel of the Eternal Watch, Shadows of the Past, Brawler's Blade, and another Guilt Leaf Winnower. That's two Guilt Leaf Winnowers. 6 more packs. Prism Ring, Rune Servitor, Reclusive Artificer, Molten Vortex, elemental token, and a plains. Well, I guess my unlucky spree is still going strong. Chipor Aether Grid, Conservator, Turn to Frog, and a Battlefield Forge. 4 plains and tip card. Murder Investigation, Summerwald Alpha, Ramroller, and Whalebreaker. 2 packs left. Totem God Hate Beast, Heart Beast, Boundary of the Consoles, Sit in the Eternal Watch, Hallowed Moonlike, Forest, and Doctor Token. Doctor Token. Thorn Bow Archer, Werther Human, Rogue Passage, Nightly Valor, Rogue Passage, and a foil, and a mythic Starfield of Nyx, and a foil Heavy Infantry. Alright, last pack. Will we get a Plainswalker? Or has this night been in vain? Brawler's Plate, Skyraider Giant, Tomato Tomb, and another mythic, Archangel of Tides. Well, I got 2 mythics, but no Planeswalkers. I guess I should feel lucky I was able to draw those. That wasn't the point of this today, to get Planeswalkers. So, congrats to everyone who did get a Planeswalker today, or yesterday, or Friday midnight release. Congrats to everybody. Well, I'm going to say goodnight for today, and hopefully I'll see you guys soon.